viewers, today I will present a report on the flash flood and the landslide disaster in Central Tapanuli Agency. Central Tapanuli Agency in North Sumatra is still facing deep sorrow in the third week of December 2025. Flash flood and landslides that happened in the late November have become one of the worst disasters in the region. Many people lost their lives and several villages are still difficult to reach. The area is currently in a critical recovery phase. Based on the last data on Sunday, the 21st of December 2025, the death toll has reached on 101 and 29 people. Search and research teams are continuing their effort to find dozens of residents who are still missing. They are believed to be trapped under landslide material and damaged buildings. The disaster caused severe damage to homes and infrastructure. A total of 6,602 houses were damaged, and many were completely destroyed. Around 296,453 people were directly affected. More than 10,000 residents are still staying in evacuation shelters and facing difficulties, especially due to limited clean water. The worst affected areas are Tukka and Badiri districts. Each village remain isolated because roads are blocked by landslides, measured 3 to 5 meters high. To deliver food and medical supplies, the government has used helicopters, especially for villages that cannot be reached by land, such as Bonan Dolo village. The Indonesian government, through the National Disaster Management Agency, is focusing on clearing landslides debris using heavy equipment and repairing damaged electricity and water supply system. Although recovery efforts are ongoing, challenges remain as heavy rainfall is expected to continue until the end of the year. Local authorities have asked residents to stay alert for possible additional floods. People who need information about victims or want to donate aid can contact the official channel of the Central Tapanuli Agency government or visit the emergency post at the region office in Pandan. This is Farhan channel. Thank you for watching.